A 5-day-long skill development training on beekeeping, jointly conducted by NABARD and PESCH, was concluded today at Nongkao Part 3 of Tamenglong district. As a part of the skill development training, altogether 43 individuals took part. They were given certificates on completion of the training today. Voluntary Network for Green District organized plantation drive around Khangabok with the theme The Unexpected Dedication to XYZ. The plantation drive was dedicated to Manipur Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah, Chief Minister N. Biren, Cabinet Ministers, Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Thawal District, head officials of Health Department, Superintendent of Kaching and eminent players of the state. Manipuri students and faculty members of ICFAI University, Tripura observed the 28th inclusion of Manipuri language in the 8th schedule in the Constitution of India today. As a part of the function, President of Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Tripura, R.K. Jitendrajit Singha, along with Vice Chancellor of ICFAI University, Rajiv Lochan Parekh, and others attended the event as main guests. The Assam Pradesh Congress Committee is taking measures to strengthen the party in Bodoland Territorial Areas district ahead of the council elections scheduled for next year. As per reports, the party leaders yesterday held a meeting at Rajiv Bhavan in Kokrajhar to discuss the party's strategy ahead of the election. The first batch of Rafale fighter jets will be handed over to India in September in France, but the first batch of jets will arrive in India by end of April 2020. According to reports, during the time, the IAF pilots will undergo advanced training on the Indian jets in France. So far, 3 IAF pilots and 2 technical officers train on the French Air Rafales as per the terms of the contract. The autumn session of the 10th Meghalaya Legislative Assembly will have 6 working days. The session begins from September 6 and will conclude on September 13th.